Today, we will take a trip to the Santa Claus Village, located in Lapland. We will suggest some places to visit when you travel there. Santa Claus Village in Rovaniemi, Lapland, Finland, is a magical destination with plenty of attractions and activities for visitors of all ages. Here are some places you might want to visit in and around Santa Claus's Lapland. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of every video we post. The first place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is Santa Claus Village. This is the official hometown of Santa Claus. You can meet Santa himself, cross the magical Arctic Circle line, and explore Santa's main post office. Don't forget to send a postcard from Santa's post office, complete with the special Arctic Circle postmark. Santa Claus Village is a tourist attraction located in Rovaniemi, Lapland, Finland. It is known as the official hometown of Santa Claus and is situated at the Arctic Circle. The village is a popular destination, especially during the Christmas season, attracting visitors from around the world who come to experience the festive atmosphere and meet Santa Claus himself. Key features of Santa Claus Village include Santa Claus Office. The village is home to the Santa Claus Office, where visitors can meet Santa Claus in person, take photos, and even receive a certificate proving that they crossed the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. The village is located right on the Arctic Circle, and there is a line marking the circle that visitors can cross. Santa Claus Main Post Office. Visitors can send letters and postcards to friends and family with a special Arctic Circle postmark. The post office also receives letters from children around the world, addressed to Santa Claus. Santa Claus Village Shops. There are various shops in the village selling Christmas-related merchandise, gifts, and souvenirs. Christmas House of Snowman. This is a unique building in the village that resembles a snowman. It houses a cafe and shops. SantaPark. While not directly part of Santa Claus Village, SantaPark is another nearby attraction. It is an underground amusement park with various Christmas-themed activities and attractions. Winter activities. In addition to the Christmas-themed attractions, visitors can also engage in winter activities such as husky and reindeer sleigh rides, snowmobiling, and witnessing the northern lights. Santa Claus Village provides a magical experience, especially for families and those looking to embrace the festive spirit of Christmas in a winter wonderland setting. It's a place where the holiday season is celebrated year-round, and visitors can enjoy a variety of activities in a picturesque Arctic environment. The second place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is SantaPark. Located just a few kilometers from Rovaniemi, SantaPark is an underground amusement park that offers various attractions, including Elf School, Santa's Toy Factory, Ice Princess's Ice Gallery, and the Magic Train. SantaPark is an underground amusement park and Christmas-themed attraction located near Rovaniemi, Finland. It is known as the Christmas Wonderland and is designed to provide visitors with a magical and immersive experience in a festive setting. Here are some key features and attractions of SantaPark. Santa's Office. Similar to Santa Claus Village, SantaPark has its own version of Santa's office where visitors can meet Santa Claus, share their Christmas wishes, and take photos. Elf School. Visitors can attend Elf School to learn about the secrets of being an elf, including the basics of toy making and the importance of spreading Christmas joy. Magic Train Ride. The park features a magical train ride that takes visitors on a journey through the underground caverns, showcasing various Christmas scenes and characters. Ice Princess's Ice Gallery. A beautifully crafted ice gallery featuring ice sculptures and scenes related to the Ice Princess and her winter kingdom. Mrs. Gingerbread's Bakery. Guests can visit Mrs. Gingerbread's Bakery to decorate their own gingerbread cookies, a popular Christmas activity. Elf Workshop. This area allows visitors to engage in hands-on activities such as making Christmas decorations and crafting with the help of Santa's elves. SantaPark's Post Office. Similar to the Santa Claus Village, SantaPark has its own post office where visitors can send postcards and letters with a special Arctic Circle postmark. Santa's Toy Factory. A place where visitors can explore Santa's Toy Factory and see how toys are made for Christmas. Christmas Magic Show. Regular live performances and shows are held, featuring elves, Santa Claus, and other Christmas characters. Workshops and activities. SantaPark offers various workshops and activities for both children and adults, including face painting, storytelling, and meeting other Christmas characters. SantaPark is open year-round, providing a festive atmosphere regardless of the season. It's a popular destination for families and those looking to experience the enchantment of Christmas in a unique and entertaining way. The underground setting adds to the magical ambiance of the park. The third place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is Arcticum. While not directly related to Santa Claus, Arcticum is a science center and museum in Rovaniemi that provides insights into the Arctic region, its nature, and its people. It's a good place to learn more about the environment and culture of Lapland. The fourth place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is Ranua Wildlife Park. About an hour's drive from Rovaniemi, this wildlife park is home to Arctic animals such as polar bears, reindeer, and moose. It's a unique opportunity to see and learn about the local wildlife. The fifth place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is Korundi House of Culture. Located in Rovaniemi, this cultural venue is home to the Lapland Chamber Orchestra and the Rovaniemi Art Museum. It's a great place to experience local arts and culture. The sixth place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is Sonasvara. This is a small ski resort located near Rovaniemi. In addition to winter sports activities, you can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of every video we post. The seventh place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is Husky and reindeer safaris. Lapland is known for its beautiful snowy landscapes, and one of the best ways to experience it is on a husky or reindeer safari. Many tour operators in the region offer these adventures, allowing you to enjoy the Arctic wilderness. The eighth place you should visit in Santa Claus Village in Lapland is Northern Lights. While not a specific place, witnessing the Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis, is a must if you visit Lapland during the winter months. You can go on guided tours to increase your chances of seeing this natural phenomenon. These are just a few examples of the many attractions and activities you can enjoy in Santa Claus's Lapland. Whether you're interested in Christmas-themed activities, wildlife experiences, or outdoor adventures, Lapland has something for everyone. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of every video we post.